Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day. I thought I'd do you a special stream today, seeing it's that time. Afternoon Lucid, and thank you very much Phil P. Right, so today I'm going to do a new project as the server's finished, and basically now everything left on the server will tie into another project like this one. So today we're going to try the new profiles out on obscure platforms, which will be Musl for the PlayStation 2, and we'll also do ARM version 8, which is the Raspberry Pi 3, if I remember rightly. So we get to see if there's any issues with these. So let's begin and create an environment that we can use to build a I guess a stage for the PlayStation 2 to boot. So let's create a I think I've already done it. I have indeed. PS2. I've already created a MIPS stage for the normal profile, so we'll use that as a base, which is stored in my home directory. Why is that? There we go. There we go. Quickly unstrap that. I'm doing pretty good, thank you, Lucid. How about yourself today? Anything planned big? I'm quite excited to start something new actually as well. Did have an awful day at work though, so it's nice to have something relaxing like this. Okay, that's done. Now, one thing we have learned is there's an issue with X-Attles, the thing that does the extended permissions and that on file systems. It doesn't work properly on Musl when Python builds it, so we need to apply a patch, which I can get from MIPS now. Oh, nice, 2 hours of sleep. I haven't been to sleep yet since last night, so I know how you feel, mate. Feel absolutely terrible. But hey, always fun, eh? Okay, so that is that done. Let's now install QM into here so we can actually mount a different architecture. I can't remember the command off the top of my head, so bear with me while I quickly double check from the manual. One of these days I'll remember it, but it'll be a while. There we go, so it's just this one, which just tells me to use the package that I've got already made that can use different architectures. Alright, so that's done. Now all we need to do is mount the file systems as normal. So that'll be type proc none proc mount bind dev sys and finally run. Okay, and now I can char root in. We're doing there we go. So now, as you can see, we are running a Musl system. Is it going to show me? We've got Neo Fetch on there. Oh yeah, there we go. This is a show. So as you can see right there, we're running a MIP system, but on my AMD 64 system. Just makes things a lot easier to do. So we'll do an emerge sync quickly. And then we'll get ready to do merge user, ready to switch to the profile. We can make this a little bit more interesting and do clang as well. Because why not? I believe I've got clang installed on here already. Yeah, basically I'm rebuilding it. So the original one uses glibc. This one's going to use Musl for a smaller user base. The C flags are also minimised for less RAM usage, and yeah, it'll just be a custom install. And then obviously we're using the new profiles just to test it, so I might as well make some use out of messing around, try and find some bugs. So far we found the one with Python, so merge user won't work on any Musl system. That was quite a fun one. Everyone will be getting that fixed pretty soon. I believe it's just been accepted into the upstream Python right now. This will be done in a second. Then we can emerge the Python fix. Chug some clouds. I'll tell you what, I'll chug a cloud with you. Ooh, that was just for you, Lucid. Got a lemonade flavour today, very nice. Ooh. Punch? More like an orange punch? Or strawberry punch? There we go. So actually I'll be able to show you the bug for this one as well while I'm here. So if we emerge merge user, oh, we need to add that, so let's copy that one across. That will be nano, etc. Portage, package. Ooh, I like a bit of lemon. That sounds like quite nice. Okay, and if you've got a package without a keyword, 2 asterisks lets you do that. Only use 2 asterisks if you know what you're doing. On your actual system, it'll probably just cause you pain. But I do fancy trying some of that punch now. There we go, and as you can see, we can now build it. This will be done in a second. There she goes. At least I've given the warning. You know if you need to use that. I think that's probably the warning. But what's the advice? Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, so when we run the merge user script, we can do a dry run and we can see what things are to get copied over. So looking at all this, everything's okay. The only conflict we got is because the file already exists, so it doesn't matter. So if we just type in merge user and run it, you can see it fails. So what we need to do is update Python to work. So that will be I can't remember which version of Python we're on nowadays. Package Gentoo Python. Oh, can't spell Python. I'm looking for the 3.10 version. 3.10.10 P1. I don't know what you're trying to say. When have you ever seen me do anything painful to myself? Slander. That should be the latest version. We'll pull that down. Ooh. Okay, that's all going to update. Perfect. I know, I can't believe people think I might be an Arch user. Ooh. I think I put it up as a screensaver as well, with a screenshot. Ooh, I guess then that means the patch is already done. Yes, it is, so I can now remove that patch then, typical. Sam moves quick. Hey Duality, you alright? Welcome to your special stream that I promised you this morning. So as you can tell by the title, we're rebuilding the PS2 build, obviously testing out the new profile 23.0s on it just to see what bugs we can find. We've just seen that the patch that I highlighted the other day has been submitted upstream, so we're just going to install that version now, see what happens. I hope. Ooh. I'm going to refill my juice up, so excuse any noises I make while I do my old man stretches. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. As I was saying to Lucid earlier on as well, we're also going to have a Raspberry Pi 3 build running as well, so we'll alternate between the two, keep it a little bit interesting, different things going on, different bugs to find. I don't think I've done a Gentoo ARM 64-bit version, so it'd be quite nice. To be honest, I don't think I've actually installed a 64-bit distro onto a Raspberry Pi 5. If you want to donate me one, man, I will do it. More than happy to. Just visit Luna. Oh, I can't. Me and her mum's had a falling out. Well, that would be a bit weird when it's travelling all the way over to Luna's house and seeing her mum on Valentine's Day. You'll have to come too anyway, because obviously you and Luna are getting married. Ooh. Ooh. So we'll see if Python builds in a second. Should be nice. What have you been up to anyway today, Duality? Nothing, you've just been waiting for me all day. Ooh. I'm just doing it. In your own time, Python. I played a little bit of it, not too much. I think I got as far as the goat woman. Yeah, I didn't really play much at all. I do quite like them, I do. Maybe I'll start playing it again. I've been playing Breath of Fire 3 though, haven't I? So. What game are you playing at the moment anyway? Bloody hell. Achievement hunter then, are you? Don't think I've heard of that one. Ooh. I think you're the first person I've seen speak about it, so... Well, I've got too many games to play at the moment, so I think it'll be a bit of a while. Don't know, maybe I'll look for a game after Breath of the Fire, Breath of Fire 3. Not really. You'll have to start playing it yourself then. Time for a duality stream. Are you trying to get me to play it? Let's have a look at what this game is. Just watching the trailer now. I don't know if I'm seeing much. It's kind of got like an action RPG feel to it. Is that what it's supposed to be? Lego Island's a good game. Oh, I'm terrible at action RPG games, eh? The reviews are pretty good. Maybe I'll play it. Maybe if you're really lucky, I'll put it on stream as well for you. Well, at least I can moan about you all the time. I mean, and that's something I could enjoy. I could, but I like the game. I can moan to you all the time about it. Okay, so that's installing, perfect. Oh, you should see my new thumbnail for YouTube as well. Oh, it is an absolute mwah. That's the only way I can describe it. I should go professional. I think I'm getting that good nowadays. Was it the real incentive to play my game recommendation? So you can take out your old man complaints on something tangible. I just like moaning. I'm British. What more can I do? I like to moan. Thank you. Even better when we can moan about the queue. Oh, heaven. Absolute heaven. Ooh. If I consider, I've been a gamer most of my life. I just like good games. Don't worry, Julie. One day you'll find good games. Have you played Final Fantasy VII yet? Yeah. But have you played it yet, though? That's the question. I need a new Final Fantasy friend. That has to be 7. Oh, Twitch knows how to get you, doesn't it? I'm gonna say, much as we all hate ads, well done Twitch for getting you right then. I did say, did you play Final Fantasy VII yet though? I played it a few years from now. No, you play it now, and then I'll play one of your games. Ooh. Okay, that's Python built with the patch fix. Lovely. Team Cherry. Are you finally getting to play it, are you? I know you've been waiting for that one for a while now. There we go. Right. Now we can do merge user. And as you can see, it's successfully built. Perfect. We don't need to worry about that warning though, because the fire already exists. So let's create the profile we need to do. So that will be emerge va eselect repository. There we go. Okay, building won't take too long. Four years, blimey. Have these build in a second, and then we can start adding the profile. Yeah, they're adding the 23.0 profile over. So hopefully I've got clang on here as well. Can't remember if I've installed it though, probably not unfortunately. But we can test GCC and then I can leave it to build clang afterwards. Aww. I would start singing, but my reminiscence of why the bird suddenly appeared would probably get me copyright strikes. It's love day for you two, isn't it? What do you mean the robot? It's funny because your love is so robotic. I'll tell you what though, I'll do a winky face tux for you if I ever get enough emotes. Oh, I've got a little tear in my eye, it's so beautiful watching this. How about some red roses though? I don't mind. I'll eat chocolate. I like chocolate. Can you give me white chocolate though? It's my favourite. Oh, saying that, have you tried the white chocolate cream egg yet? Oh my god. Oh. It's like the best thing I've ever eaten. Who doesn't like white chocolate? All the cool people like white chocolate. I bet Belle likes white chocolate. Oh, it's so nice. Boomer. I don't know any boomers that like white chocolate either. I think most of them like dark chocolate. I know my nan does. Well, did. Many people like white chocolate are children, and I'm basically a 5-year-old. I'm the only person that gets excited by watching text scroll across the screen. Oh, God. That's terrible, Luna. Weirdo. The only time we use 95% cocoa is when I'm making a chili con carne. And then my daughter eats the rest. But have you tried a white chocolate cream egg though? You need to try one. Yeah, Cadbury's cream eggs. They do a white chocolate version this year. Oh, it's the first time I've seen them do it. Beautiful. Absolute beautiful. Heaven, I think is the word I'm going to use. No, they went back, didn't they, to the old way. Unless they're still doing it the cheap way in your country, the American chocolate way. Unlucky. Our chocolate's nice still. We all revolted. We usually have like a brand that does it. It's usually like a white packet and like a black logo. I can't remember what they're called. Lint's nice. Did Lint do a dark chocolate though? No, I'll have to get some of that for my daughter. She loves dark chocolate. She's a weirdo. Do they? Oh. Maybe I'll get her for the treat. Don't know if I like her enough though, really. It's the only problem. I'll let you two decide. Should I get my daughter that? Right, I'm not typing another command in now till I get £2.50 so I can find my daughter a chocolate bar. Yeah. Oh. You just have to imagine I'm sitting here with my arms folded going, I've got a lint shop near me. I haven't taken her there for a while, probably because I need a mortgage if I did. I don't think anyone that does a 99%. I've never seen one. Like 95, I think's the most I've ever seen. Possibly a 98. I very rarely use it, only if I'm cooking. Yeah, same for mine. It's very expensive though. I'm only using it to show off. Okay, so that's this done. So we can now create our local repo. So select repository, create local. There we go. Alright. Nano slash etc. Voltage, repos config, local. Ow, my ear's itchy. Okay. Local. I didn't even know Asda did a finest bar for 33p. I'll have to have a look for that one. Is it any good? Etc. DB repos, local. Exit, yes, and save. Alright, I'll give that a go. Nano slash var db repos local metadata layout. Right, masters, fin, profile format. Oh my good god, what can't I spell? Profile, there we go. Profile formats equals voltage 2. I don't know if I've done this one though, so let's check. Var db repos local. Ooh. Repo. No. That's already set. Perfect. Right. And now I want to cd into there, so that'll be var db repos local. Okay, I want to make the directory, so we'll do 23.0 slash muse. No, I just want to make that. No, muse. No, I want to make that, don't I? Okay, and then no 23.0 muse EAP. No, EAPI 7, and then nano 23 muse parent. No, I haven't. Yeah, I saw the one with Sol Goodman playing on 20 computers, so I didn't see the other one you sent afterwards there. Alright, Gentoo. Default. Linux. You know what, I've forgotten what the bloody profiles are. Let's do any select profile list. There we go. Okay, I think that'd be that. I just changed that to a 23. Oh, well, 34 apparently. Excellent, and let's create the other one as well. So I want to do a and call this one Muse LMV. Yes. Right, Gentoo. I don't know why I can't say it today. Gentoo default. So we change that to a 23. Oh my god. I really can't type today. And then we do the same again. Features. LMO. VM. Go. Right. Now we need to create the so that should be nano profile dot dec. So MIPS 23.0 Musl, and then we'll do dev because I can't pop this set every time. 23. There we go. Now if I do a list again, I should see my two profiles turn up, please. In your own time. There we go. And right. LS2300. Have I used the right... Oh no. Oh no. That is right, MIP South. Right, let's make sure I've got this set right. Okay, let's just eat the muscle. No. PI 7. No, muscle parent. Let's try that again. Right, is that not right then? So let's do ls var db into my repos. Gentoo profiles default Linux MIPS 23 news MIPSAL. Right. Oh. Of course I'll be saying that. I need to add it. Come on. String ls var db repos. No. Default. I bet you it's because I need to do this. var db no. Profiles. schoolboy error there. Right, I want to copy this one. Change that to a 23. Okay. There she is, right there. So now I can set 34. Okay, and now if we look, we should now everything should change to our new profile. So yeah, everything's now building with the 23s. You can see split users happening, which is good. So let's check if we can get have I actually got Clang installed? No, but we can see if we can set up the profile already. So I wonder if this is set up right. var db repos local metadata right, masters Gentoo profile formats. Yeah. Ooh. Right. Echo 7. Right, let's make the Echo 7. EAPI. And then nano. EA. Ooh. Parent. Yes. Ooh. And then Gentoo features LMV. Let's make sure that is right, so it should be var db repos Gentoo profiles, features, LMB. Here we go. Maybe I need to do merge user. Wow. Right. Okay, now let's check to see what's going on in this. Right, let's try that. Come on. Finger slide. Okay. Well, we'll take a look to see why that's not loading in a second. But for now, let's emerge. Let's take a look at the. Oh, this should work. Why is it not? Why I put the profile thing in the right place? Yeah, have I spelled it right? Oh, you never guess what it is. Proper Moloism moment here. Fuck's sake. I missed an S. Oh my good god. It's gonna work, isn't it? You wait. I kind of hope it doesn't work. Oh, look at that. They're all there. What a joke. Okay. Let's install Clang. And we'll see if we can build a 23.0 profile on MIPS with Musl and LMB. Ooh. Hello. Does this not work on this? This is going to be interesting. Okay, I'm interested. Now I'm intrigued. I believe if I just do this, it will work. Obviously it's going to moan about some of the dependencies, but okay. To be honest, what I want to do is 15. I still can't get over that S missing being the only issue. Ooh. Right, that's not happy about that. So let's try this. Why is that not working? Good work. Right, let's just do it the way I had it. What chat app are you using? Did I code it and forget to put an S in it? Oh, it can't be worse than the code I've made at school. I'll give you. What operating systems does it run under? Can I test it? It's very wonderful. Hello there, you alright? What a great name. The Rapscallion. Love it. Thank you very much for the follow as well. So today we're testing out a Musl build using the brand new 23 profiles, just to see how it's going to work when they go live. And I thought, as I'm here, let's see if we can get Clang and LLVM to work. Was it low level virtual machine? Is that what it's called? Just to make it a little bit more interesting. Thank you very much. I'll take a look at that later on. I've just excited myself finding a mask package for something as low level as this. It might not be up. Is it that bad? God, how many dependencies does this program have? It's not... I don't really know what Gitpod is, to be fair. Remember, all I do is patches. My coding is terrible. Alright, I got you. Well, hopefully we'll start this soon. I think there's only one more dependency after this one. Ooh. I kind of got the feeling this is not going to build, but hey, I might get some nice bugs out of it. Oh, very nice. Oh, there we go. Sanitizers. Number 17 as well. This is going to be the one. Right, I reckon this is now going to start. Come on. I did check and someone said no one's tested it on MIPS yet, so there is a chance this works. Oh my good god. Right, what am I missing? Ooh. Right, what is... I'm gonna have to try and remember how you... Bear with me a second. Let's see if I can remember how you unmask a use flag. It's been a while since I've done this one. Right, so sanitizers has all of those. Okay. Right, let me try and remember this. I think it's... No, let me check. Okay. Let's try this. I haven't done this, I don't think ever. You know what, actually no, I lie. I think I have done this before. So it should be set your portrait profile. Use dot mask. Okay, now if I bear with me a second. Let's unmask everything here. Right, minus. I think I'll just do this. I don't need to do clang, it's already done. It's going to be one of the greatest things I've ever done, or one of the most stupidest things I've ever done. Can't actually wait. Right, now, if I try it again... These should all be unmasked. If I've got it right. I'm doing etc. one, so it won't get overwritten on this one. You're thinking of the other one. Hey! Did that work? I believe that worked. Hello? Made it K. This has obviously just gone from being a bit of fun to a very interesting challenge. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh, I missed something on this. Yeah, I missed an S. What is it with S's today, eh? Second time I've done that today. I wonder if I'm going to blame it on that time I dropped vape juice on my keyboard. Yeah, Filthy Dog. Subscribe. I think that was the day you missed. I think that was the Law Day. Was that the Law Day duality? Yeah, that's right. The make profile one gets overwritten. To be honest, I always forget how to use the profile one. I just don't use it often. Same with package provided. That one always throws me off as well. Oh no. Time to double the double me thing up. Oh. What I should have done is just copied the modern C page, because it tells you every single package I needed to do in a wanna. Oh. I didn't know that. Thank you for that one. I'll have to check that one out. Okay. So this could build. Let's just double check to make sure. Yeah, that looks... Ah, no, not again. Right. What we'll do is we'll start this off. We'll watch a little bit of it build and see what happens. And then we'll come back either tomorrow or day afterwards. And see how it's got on. Obviously it's going to be quite slow because I'm emulating MIPS on an AMD 64 machine. But I do believe the ARM V8 test will have to wait a little bit longer if this works, because I am quite excited now. But so many packages we've got to build here. A few. We'll give it a second to run through. We'll probably get to C make before we leave it. Yeah, Luna's a pretend Gentoo user, you know that. She hasn't made her own distribution at all. You've upset your girlfriend now. And Luna, I'll install it when I learn how to pronounce it. You got an IP keylogger. You'll never guess my password. I can't believe you upset your girlfriend, Duality. It's just sad. On Valentine's Day as well. Isn't Foxy a nice thing to say to someone nowadays? To be fair, Foxy is something that Mitzi would say. Right. Well, I'm going to leave this to build, see what happens, and we'll come back in a couple of days, see where it's got to. Because obviously this is going to take quite a while to build, but it might be interesting seeing just how well Clang does on a MIP system. This could be a fun one. Right, thank you all for coming along today and watching the start of this series. We'll hopefully be able to take it a lot further in the next few days. Yeah, thank you very much for coming along, and say great name as well. I'll see you all later on.